Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to install and set up GNS3. First thing you want to do is go to GNS3.com and click the free download link. If you have an account, you can log in, and if you don't have an account, you can set one up now. Once you've logged in, you can download the installer. I've gone ahead and already downloaded it. Click yes. Click next. You want to agree to the licensing terms and conditions. Click next. This is where you can pick and choose which components you want to install. I'm going to install all of them, and then click next. This is the default location. Click install. The first component you need to install is Winpcap. Click next. Agree to the licensing terms and conditions. I uncheck this box. What this does is automatically start the Winpcap driver when Windows boots up. I like to do that manually. If you choose to do it manually, these are the two commands you can run to start and stop the MPF driver. Click install. Click finish. That will begin installing Wireshark. You want to agree to the licensing terms and conditions. This is where you can pick and choose which components of Wireshark you want to install. Once you've decided which ones you want, click next. This is where you can create shortcuts, and you can choose which file extensions are associated with Wireshark. Click next. This is the default location for installation of Wireshark. You can change it if you want. Then click next. You already installed Winpcap, so uncheck this box. Click install. Click next. Click finish. Now you'll begin installing SolarWinds Response Time Viewer. You need to enter a valid email address to continue with the installation. You want to agree to the licensing terms and conditions and click next. This is the default location. If you wish to change it, you can do that now. Once you're done, you click next. Click next. Click finish. Now the GNS3 installation will finish up. Click next. This is where you can get your free license of SolarWinds Standard Toolset. You can always do this later. What SolarWinds Standard Toolset is a collection of networking tools. GNS3 has a special offer for a trial period of, I believe, 60 days. For now, I'm going to click no. Then click finish. When GNS3 first starts up, you'll be greeted by the welcome screen. Each time GNS3 starts up, you'll be prompted to start a new project. I'm going to click cancel because we don't have any routers set up yet. To begin setting up routers, you want to go to Preferences, under Dynamips menu, and click iOS Routers. You're going to click the New button. Browse to your router image location. And then click Open. This is where you can change the name of your router. I'm going to leave everything as default. Click Next. You can change the amount of RAM you want for your router. I'm going to upgrade it to 192 megabytes. Then click Next. This is where you'll be able to modify your network adapters. This router only has one choice, so click Next. You can add WIC modules on this screen. I'm going to add the 1T and 2T NIC modules. Then click Next. I leave the idle PC alone. Then click Finish. I'm going to proceed with installing the other routers now. I have an option to add another network adapter. I'm going to add the fast Ethernet adapter to this router and click Next. I'm going to add the same WIC modules I added to the other router. Click Next. I'm also going to leave the idle PC alone and then click Finish. Proceed with installing the 3600 router. This is one of the most versatile routers that you can install on GNS3. I like to give it 256 megabytes, then click Next. You have more options for network adapters for this router, but I'm going to keep it simple and just put the fast Ethernet for now. Then click Next. And then click Finish. I have the 3700 router. I'm also going to give this router 256 megabytes. Adding a fast Ethernet module. Then click Next, and I'm going to add the same WIC modules for this router too. Next. I'm going to add an either switch router or multi-layer switch. I'm going to use the 3700 image for that. And click Next. All you do is check this box. This is an ether switch router. Once you do that, it will change the name to ether switch router and click Next. You want to add some more RAM for this. I like to use 256. Then click Next. You now have a 16-port switch added and fast Ethernet ports. You can add more if you like. Now I'm going to click Next. You can add WIC modules to this ether switch if you like as well, but I'm going to leave them empty. Then click Next. And then click Finish. And there you go, you're done. You've added all your router templates. You click Apply and click OK. Now if you go to the menu, you can see you have router options available. I'm going to drag and drop a router just to make sure it loads properly. Now I'm going to start up the router and see if we can connect through the console. Okay, this router successfully booted up. Means our images are working fine. This concludes my video. Be sure to check out my other videos on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.